My humble greetings to one and all. I am Sujita from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Our team takes privilege in resuming with Texas Instruments IAC-DC Design Contest after the pandemic situation. Today, I am here to present our second interim submission on the proposed product entitled as Machine Learning Based Biomechatronic Hand for the Amputees with Team ID 1071383. The main objective behind the development of the proposed product is to provide a sense of rehabilitation to the upper limb amputated victims. In a nutshell, the proposed biomechatronic hand intends to reproduce and replicate the capabilities of the living limb by employing a technique called surface electromyography. In coherence, the myoelectric signal is obtained by employing muscle sensor followed by placing surface EMG electrodes on the user's hand in such a way that the anode is placed over agonist muscle, cathode over antagonist muscle and ground over a bony part. This setup yields the action potential of the muscles, which is then filtered, amplified and interpreted by the BeagleBone Black controller to control the biomechatronic hand in a desired way as initiated by the human brain with the help of servo motors. With numerous competitors worldwide, our product will provide complete action of exactly all the functionalities of human hand in contrast to the currently available prosthetic aids. The conventional prosthetic aids are non-functional with which we couldn't be able to perform any actions. That is, those aids are cosmetic and passive in nature. Also, the machine learning algorithm employed facilitates the process of autocorrection in case of any dataset discrepancies. That is, the self-learning feature of machine learning facilitates such autocorrection. In order to study and understand in detail about the product feasibility, we have visited Coimbatore Government Hospital and Sri Ramakrishna Hospital and spoke in person with EMG specialists to know deeper about the nature of myoelectric signal and its acquisition methods. And also, we have approached one of our potential customers in order to learn about their expectations of an ideal prosthetic aid, which gave us a clear vision to visualize our milestones ahead. We strongly believe that the proposed product will definitely create a huge impact in the amputee society with its fidelity to replicate the features of an innate human hand.
Proposed prototype machine learning based biomechanical hand for the amputees restores the complex intrinsic functionalities of the living limb with features including complete access to the finger movement, ability to pick and place object, lightweight and free from mechanical stress, user-friendly, non-invasive approach of signal acquisition and aesthetic outlook. As said earlier, the prosthetic limb manufactured by our competitors don't process access to the finger movements and are non-functional in contrast to currently available aids. With limited application, the proposed product proves to be a better prosthetic replacement for the victims of upper limb amputation. The biomechatronical hand resembling the innate hand intend to own an appreciable aesthetic outlook and lightweight since we are very much concentrated about consumer satisfaction. Also, the size of the proposed limb can be modified and made compatible as per the requirement. About performance, it restores the capability of the user living limb with a greater fidelity. Since BeagleBone Black is employed for a computation purpose, higher rate of processing speed around 2000 Mbps is achieved. And on talking about power, we are exploring the possibility of incorporating a compact and portable power bank in the design. Consequently, when exhausted, it can be easily charged and restored instantaneously.
The proposed product is an outcome of employing the principle of electronic and biomedical engineering. Indeed, this integration adopting machine learning algorithm has made it possible to integrate the surface EMG signal with the artificial limb. Surface electromyography, which deals with the acquisition and manipulation of myoelectric signals, forms the basis of proposed artificial limb, since biological signals act as a driving force in the convening human intention. EMG signals forms the pivotal role in the efficient and effective function of the proposed limb. As said earlier, the construction of biomechatronic hand can be made as per the required coded by the potential customers. Indeed, functionalities can also be customized as required. Consequently, we are exploring the possibilities of hitting the global market with customizable goods like product with access to finger movements, product with access to finger movements and ability to hold things, product with complete access similar to that of living limb.
Let me start with the justification of various components used in the proposed product design. Actually speaking, we requested for BeagleBone AI, which would have been very more suitable for our application. But our team was provided with BeagleBone Black controller and it is the computing unit of the product. Since its processing speed is around 2000 Mbps, the implementation of machine learning algorithm will be accomplished with considerably good efficiency. Also, the presence of 65 GPIO pins has made it very easier to interface a good number of required components with the controller. In addition, the PWM pins present in the P9 and P8 header are being employed to control the servo motor used. Secondly, the muscle sensor and the surface EMG electrode plays a pivotal role in the acquisition of myoelectric signals from the user, which in turn interpreted to actuate the servo motor in the desired direction. It is notable that the sensor produces a filtered and rectified electrical activity of the muscle to which we are attracted. TA instrumentation amplifier with CMRR around 100 dB and notch filter are rightly employed for the effective conditioning of electromyogram signal and to make it free from artifacts. Thirdly, servo motor MG996R is rightly chosen to actuate the developed biomechatronic hand in a desired way. The main reason for choosing the servo motor is that its movement or position can easily be controlled with the help of pulse width modulated signal. As of now, in the phase of development of our prototype, we have completely remodeled our hand for much more aesthetic and pleasing look. An EMG dataset has been acquired from the normal person. Pre-processing techniques to remove unwanted values has been applied and statistical parameter like calculation of mean, standard deviation and confidence interval calculation has been put in to normalize the acquired EMG dataset. Further, the signal would be filtered and the model would be tested by implementation of different appropriate machine learning algorithms by considering the filtered EMG signal as dataset. After successful implementation of the algorithm, the model would be tested on various factors to improve efficiency and also to meet requirements and satisfy the expectation of our users.
There is definite amount of complexity involved in our project. Since the signal acquired is biological, it comes included with a lot of noise. Therefore, data acquisition, filtration, classification would be challenging, but we do have a clear vision and approach towards our end goal. Applying appropriate algorithm would be done only after filtering the dataset and comparing with all performance metrics of similar algorithms. On studying various algorithms, we found that support vector machines and principal component analysis to be the best suitable algorithms for our product. For now, our goal is to develop our product as we envisioned. Further, we would focus more on testing our prototype such that it would be able to turn our prototype into a complete product as expected by our customers. We have already tested and received positive feedback for the real-time working of our prototype with an amputee. These tough times has subsequently reduced our plans to validate our prototype further, but we are always down ready to verify and validate our prototype. Hereafter, by connecting to more possible amputated people and in the perspective of medical testing, we would test much more in regard with the performance of our product with Sri Ramakrishna Hospital and government hospitals. For power management, we have used TI WebBench and the simulation results are optimized. After the complete development of the artificial limb, we have planned to validate the medical design with ISO 13485.
Welcome to the product demonstration video. I'm Pravinar. The controller used in a project is BeagleBone. And also we have added a custom made PCB to contain muscle action potential sensor. As of now, the power supply is given through RPS, but later it would be changed to rechargeable battery. 3 electrodes are placed in the hand, first in the agonist muscle and the second in the antagonist muscle, and the third is neutral for common mode rejection placed near a bony area. The resulting EMG values are displayed in the shell, that is, the signal acquired from the electrodes is amplified and filtered by the EMG sensor and then processed in the BeagleBone, which forms the computing unit of the proposed solution. As you can see, when the person contracts the muscle, the arm gets contracted. And correspondingly, when the arm gets relaxed, the robotic arm also gets relaxed. We have improvised the robotic arm prototype in order to enhance the payload capacity added with aesthetic look. Compared to the last arm we used, this arm is much more flexible and rigid, equipped with high torque servo motors. As of now, we have applied statistical parameters to our obtained EMG signal to normalize it. After proper filtration of the EMG signal, we would apply it to our finalized algorithm. Thank you.